In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Robinhood account number. If you've ever needed to link your brokerage account, set up a transfer, or verify details with customer support, your account number is what you'll be asked for. It's not the same as your username or the number tied to your debit card. It's the unique identifier for your brokerage account. Let's walk through the exact steps plus a few tips to make the process smooth and secure. Start by opening the Robinhood app. Once you're in, head to your profile. You'll find the profile icon in the app's navigation. Tap it to open your account area. From there, look for the menu icon. It's the three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu. Tap that to expand the full list of account options. Now scroll down through the menu until you see a section labeled Account No. It might be near other account details, so take your time and scroll steadily if you don't spot it right away. When you find it, tap Show Numbers. For your security, Robinhood will ask you to authenticate. Use Face ID if it's enabled on your device or enter your PIN. This step ensures only you can view sensitive account information. After you authenticate, your account number will be revealed on the screen. Take a moment to double check it, and if you plan to use it elsewhere, copy it carefully. Avoid sharing this number in public places or over unsecured channels. If you're writing it down, store it somewhere safe. If you prefer to verify your account number from an official document, you can also find it on your account statements. In the app, go to Reports and Statements and open one of your account statements. Your account number appears within those statements, which can be useful if you want a PDF you can download or reference later. A few quick tips. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version for the most reliable experience. If you don't see the Account No section right away, try closing and reopening the app or checking again after an update. And remember, authentication is there to protect you, so always approve Face ID or enter your PIN in a private setting. That's all you need to find your Robinhood account number. Follow these steps anytime you need it, and consider saving a recent statement for easy reference. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get exactly what you were looking for.